Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you about system testing, that is the last type of testing. So we will discuss what is meant by system testing and what are the different types of system testing are used. So first of all we will see what is meant by system testing, when it is performed and who performs the system testing. So system testing, it is a level of testing in which complete and fully developed software is tested. So when we are going to perform system testing, when our complete and full software or software product is developed. After developing full software, we are going to perform the system testing. System tests are designed to validate a fully developed system to assure that it meets its requirements. So we perform the system testing after completion of our software development. So why we are going to perform system testing? So system testing is test whether all the requirements given by the customer in a requirement phase are developed or not. Okay, so in system testing we are going to check whether all the requirements which are mentioned in SRS documents are completely developed or not. System testing is performed after integration testing and before acceptance testing. So after performing of integration testing and before performing of acceptance testing, we are going to perform the system testing. Okay, so why it is called as the system testing? So it is a testing which we are going to perform on whole complete fully developed software system. Okay, so what is difference between system testing and integration testing? So in integration testing, we perform the integration testing when few or some modules are developed, and then we perform the integration testing to test the interaction between these modules. But system testing is performed when completely software is developed, means all the modules of the software is developed. So this is the difference between integration testing and system testing. So basically there are three types of system testing. First is alpha testing, second is beta testing, and third is acceptance testing. So we will see one by one. First is alpha testing. So alpha testing, it is a type of testing which is carried out by the testing team within the developing organization. Okay, so alpha testing, it is a testing which is carried out by the testing team of an organization in the organization environment itself. Means this type of testing is done in the software development company by the testing team of the software development company. Next is beta testing. This type of testing is carried out by the group of friendly customers or end users. So who perform beta testing? So beta testing is not performed by the testing team. It is performed by the customers or end users who are going to use the software. Okay, so the end users or customers who are going to use this software does the beta testing. Third is acceptance testing. This type of testing is performed by customer to determine whether he should accept the delivery of the system or not. Okay, so as name given, acceptance testing. So acceptance testing is done by customer to check whether all the requirements given in SRS document are fully completed or not, and whether the software product is acceptable or not, means it is high quality product is developed or not, it checked at acceptance testing. Okay, so these are the three types of system testing are performed on the final developed product. Okay, so this is all about the types of testing. Okay, I hope you understand all this type of software testing. Thank you very much.